Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone. This is Azmat Ali. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. So, the topic today we have is a brief introduction to Law of Tort. What is tort? Tort in common law, civil law, and the vast majority of legal systems that derive from them any instance of harmful behavior such as physical attack on one's person or interference with one's possession or with the use and enjoyment of one's land, economic interests under certain conditions, honor, reputation, and privacy. Definition of tort: a wrongful act or an infringement of a right other than under contract leading to legal liability. The term derives from Latin tortum, meaning something twisted, wrung, or cooked. The concept encompasses only those civil wrongs independent of contracts. If in any term, in any situation, you are in a contract and someone gonna like hit you or any other, they're gonna charge any liability, so that will be not a tort. Under contract there is no tort. After that, we have functions of tort. Throughout its long history, tort has pursued different aims: punishment, appeasement, deterrence, compensation, and efficient loss spreading of the cost of accidents. None offers a complete justification. All are important, though at different stages one may have been more prominent than the rest. Punishment and appeasement. Originally, tort and criminal law were indistinguishable, and even when the two branches began to acquire independent identities, the former remained for a very long time in the shadow of the latter. Most authors would probably agree that punishment and appeasement are no longer major aims of tort law. Then we have examples of common tort. For example, common torts include assault, battery, damage to a personal property, conversion of personal property, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. Injury to people may include emotional harm as well as physical harm. For example, if somebody gonna lie you that, for example, someone died, the loved one died, and you can't bear the shock. You can't bear the shock of the news due to the news. So that is a emotional harm. All right, that will be in the phrase of emotional harm. So in that case you can pursue the thoughts on the person who lied to you. Then we have physical harms. We have infliction, intentional infliction. For example, somebody know that they are going to hit you. All right, so that will be intentional infliction. All right, and they are doing something intentionally to harm you. Then we have personal property. If someone comes to your property and says it's mine, that is thought. That is a kind of thought. Damage to personal property, any damage to your personal property. For example, if there is a tree in the house of your neighbor, due to any reason, or the neighbor by itself cuts a tree, and some of some of the tree come comes to your home, and for example, there is your car and it damages your car, then you can claim tort as well, but not in case if it was by the nature. Here we can see an example: I will sue you. That means the person telling I will sue you, who knows, he knows the tort law as well, because the cars hit it. Of course, there is no mistake of one person, there is mistake of both persons, but still a person with the less mistake can sue the tort. So thank you so much. If you want any more videos, further videos on any topic, you can comment, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.